Alright, so here we are in the kitchen. It's Memorial Day weekend. We decided that we were going to retile it. So what we have here is this ugly linoleum, probably from early 80s. So anyways, here we are, day one. Alright, talk to you later. Okay, now we're done with the scraping. It was tough, but we did it. And we're ready for the thin set. I marked a little section here for the first tile, which is directly in the middle of the room. And now we're ready. Alright. Alright, so we did most of the stripping. Turns out under this wood there's more linoleum, but we're not even going to deal with that. And we put down the tiles as like a dry run just to see what it's going to look like, and it looks like it's going to come out great. Alright. Alright, so we've got pretty much most of the tile in. All the full tiles that we could get in, we did. And it's morning now, so the thin set has dried. Now all we have to do is two things. We have to put in the grout and then cut some tiles and put them in on the edges and in here. We did have a tile cutter, but it was the wrong size. And as you know, we like to improvise. So we tried cutting some tile anyway, and we were a little successful, but for the most part not. As you can see over here, our little pile of unsuccessful tile cutting. Other than that, we're extremely exhausted, and as Jeevan says, hurty. But we still have to scrape out the stuff from here so we can get the grout in. But overall, it looks really good for our first time, and we're very proud of ourselves, right?
Yes.
So we got a tile cutter. It's fancy, and hold on, and it's got a nifty laser. If you can see here, see the laser? That's the best part. Okay, Jeevan's gonna cut a tile now. Awesome. Okay, so it's 10:07 p.m. and we just finished putting in all the siding pieces, and it was a real pain in the butt, but we finally did it. We didn't anticipate it taking it this long, like it took us the whole day, but it did. So here we are. We're gonna be doing the grouting tomorrow, but it's really looking amazing and we're really excited. Alright, see you in the morning. So here is our finished product. We are done. And 9:20 Monday night. So pretty much 4 whole days to do all of this. And we're excited that it's done. It looks great. And we're happy.